So this would be an important message to all the peoples who are trying to construct their houses. So before the rainy season, you must remember not to construct your house. Like you see, you will have water in your one area, one room. So you must avoid those things, or you must have taken proper care or have done some RCC upon this. You see, in every room we have waters in every room. So this must be remembered before the rainy season. You should fill up all these things just in case. So that's it for today, guys. Take care. Bye bye.